Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. We're here on Deck 12. Check it out. Look at this. There's a Johnny Rockets on board the Adventure of the Seas. Alright, actually here on the starboard side of the ship, we're headed forwards. Let's check out the pool deck. That's just right up here. Alright. Go through this wind baffle. Look at this beautiful blue sea. Just incredible. Yeah. Let's check out that pool deck. That's right up here. They got like a kids play place here. Plenty of hot tubs. And they got some pools. Let's take a closer look. All right. We're now on deck 11. Check out the kids' play place in their Splashaway Bay. They got their own water slides, water fountains and features. What a fun place. Got hot tubs. Big screen TV here. Right above that is the Viking Crown Lounge. Pools and hot tubs. Look how inviting these are. Another pool over here. Yeah. And of course, you're never too far from a bar. Get your favorite beverages here at the pool bar on the Adventure of the Seas. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Let's head upstairs here by these lounge chairs. Up here on deck 12, where they have a sky bar up here on deck 12. Check out this beautiful scenery. Up ahead here is the solarium. Solarium is a adults only section. Got to be 18 and older to enter the solarium. We're going to view it here from above. They got their own pool. They got hot tubs there too. Then up here, this is a little known secret. This is public access up here. It's a great viewing area. No, it's not a golf green. Just another great place to catch some rays and to see some views. Look at that. This is Tenerife in the Canary Islands. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Hopefully you liked this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.